Look at this. This button, watch this. This is like a luxury G-Wagon. You take this on a safari. Look at these cushions here. This here is super cool. These cup holders can either be cooled or heated for hot drinks. This here is for your champagne glasses. You've got the beautiful Maybach logo here. This here, you can do some work or have some lunch on your tray. This is the Maybach Launderette, and it costs over $1.5 million. Only 99 of these babies were built, and I'm in one right now. Look how luxe this is. Look at this. You can also fit little drinks in there. Space for who knows what, your jewellery. Room there is here on the back. You can adjust this little. Oh, you go on a luxury safari with your champagne and watch the, I don't know what, giraffes? Who knows? What? This is crazy. Oh man. Alright, let's go for a drive, shall we? This car is the same height as a G-Wagon 4x4 squared, so you're sitting up really high. It's a V12 bit-turbo with over 600 horsepower. Shall we go? We're on a private airstrip here. Listen to this. Thing to show you. Look at this. Privacy screen. And then you can also frost it. I mean, come on! How cool is this car? The light, guys.